Hello everyone, I'm Oz, and in this video I'll be talking to you about The Artist Way by Julia Cameron. So I came across this book, I believe, because of a recommendation from a friend, and majorly it helps people who are in an artist block, stuck in some way or the other. Uh, so I did read the book, but I it's like a ritual that I have is that I listen to. It's about a 3 hour audiobook, and whenever I'm like cleaning my cupboard or cleaning my house, I listen to this and clean up my mind as well. So first of all, I love this book and I highly recommend it to everyone who's sometime bored, or sometime like annoyed. Uh, so how it talks about how to get out of this annoyment and how to clear the space around you first. That is the people around you who are like, as it calls in this book, noisemakers. Um, so you need to identify such people and you need to take them out of your life. You need to clear the space for new energy to come in. So that's one of the things that I really liked about this book, from a lot of other things which are great about it. And then there's one aspect of this book called the morning pages. And what it does is that every day in the morning when you wake up, you just do freestyle writing. If you type, you just type without thinking, and if you write without thinking. Till the moment you start thinking, you stop. What does this do? So what this does is that it empties your unconscious mind onto the paper. So it's like, for example, you want, you're doing something, you're driving a car, but your thoughts are somewhere else. You are doing your work as well, but part of your mind is somewhere else. Someone is talking to you, but part of your mind is somewhere else, thinking about something else. So all those things that does affect your productivity because you're not 100% present there is your unconscious mind. And so by doing this, by spilling all of that onto that paper, onto that word document, you tend to clear your mind and give it space to focus on the now, and which is great. And then you don't read this. You're not supposed to read any of this for at least a week, 10 days. And then after that, once you keep practicing it, you'll feel yourself, your mind is more clear and you're more present as well, and there's more energy, you're more productive. And then maybe after 10 days, you can start reading these pages and you will be surprised, what you've been writing on it, and what are the things and thoughts that are there, which are important to you actually. So yeah, I highly recommend this book, especially the audio one. And the way I do it is I listen to the audiobook and I clean up my cupboard, and while doing so I clean up my mind as well. So again, thank you. If you enjoyed this video, please do smash the like button, and do subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
If you want to support me in making these videos, hop onto my Patreon, Oz112, link in the description below, to buy me a drink, get me a meal, or book a Zoom call with me. Thank you.